Hello, class. Today I'll be presenting on the physical phenomena behind how climate change has resulted in devastating and increasing strengths in hurricanes over the past few decades. So, the first way climate change, or more specifically global warming, has impacted the strength of hurricanes is through warmer ocean temperatures, as hurricanes are actually fueled by the heat energy of ocean water. So, the higher the ocean water temperature, the more strong and fueled a hurricane will be. Not only that, but warming temperatures have also caused heavier rainfall due to there being increased moisture in the air that is able to fall as precipitation. To go off of that point, along with heavier rainfall, the melting glaciers due to global warming have also contributed to a rise in sea levels over the past few decades. Specifically, since 2010, the Gulf of Mexico sea levels have increased at triple the rate than the rest of the globe. This resulted in Hurricane Idalia hitting Florida with record-breaking storm surges that caused massive levels of flooding, the likes of which would likely have not been seen if not for climate change and global warming impacting sea levels and having them warm and rise over these past few decades. Now, another point about how our climate and global warming is affecting the strength of hurricanes is through wind intensity, as hurricane frequency may not increase due to a warmer climate, but hurricane wind strength and warming ocean temperatures do have high correlation. In other words, while we may not see as many hurricanes, there will be a higher rate of category 4 and 5s due to the strengthening winds as a result of global warming. One last point about how our climate and changing climate has affected the strength of hurricanes and their overall devastation is through the actual slowing of hurricanes over their directed path, as it has been studied that over the past 70 years, hurricanes have slowed by around 10% on average, and this resulted in Hurricane Harvey stalling in over 4 days in southern Texas, the likes of which had never been seen, which caused massive levels of rain, wind, and just overall destruction in that area. And that all has to all contributes from rising temperatures and the overall direction that the climate is changing in our globe over the past many decades.